Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I'll demonstrate the proper way to configure a proxy in Node.js, using a straightforward method involving an npm package. This will enable us to redirect client GET requests to the intended host. Start by initializing your project with the command npm init. In order to make it easier for you to use the commands, they are all listed in the video description for you to copy. Install the necessary packages by running npm install express http-proxy-middleware. In your index.js file, include the following dependencies shown on the screen. Next, configure the necessary parameters and the redirection route. Use the following commands as shown on the screen. In the target field, specify the details of your proxy to be used with the application located in the /API/users/all folder. Set the desired path to the application, and in the target field specify the protocol type, followed by the IP and proxy port separated by a colon. For a private proxy, use the format IP, port, username, and password separated by a colon. After entering this data, you can launch the script. The setup is complete. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend the reliable and trusted provider proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.